Hello, fellow koala lovers. In this video, I'm going to share with you some amazing facts about these adorable marsupials that live in Australia. Koalas are not only cute and cuddly, but also very fascinating animals that have unique adaptations, behaviors, and diets. Let's dive into the world of koalas and learn more about them. One of the most common misconceptions about koalas is that they are bears. In fact, they are not even related to bears at all. They belong to a group of mammals called marsupials, which give birth to underdeveloped young that finish their development inside a pouch. They have their own family, called Phascolarctidae, which means pouch bear in Greek. Their closest living relatives are wombats, which also have a backward-facing pouch. Koalas have spoon-shaped noses and fluffy ears. They are easily recognizable by their round body appearance and their distinctive ears and nose. Their ears are large and fluffy, which helps them to hear well and regulate their body temperature. Their nose is spoon-shaped and very sensitive, which helps them to smell the different types of eucalyptus leaves that they eat. Their fur is usually gray-brown in color with white patches on the chest, inner arms, ears, and bottom. They have no fur on their nose or the palms of their paws. They live in eucalyptus forests and woodlands. They are found in the eastern and southern parts of Australia, where there are plenty of eucalyptus trees. Eucalyptus trees are essential for koalas, as they provide them with both food and shelter. Koalas can only live in areas where their favorite trees are growing, and they will only eat a few of the hundreds of species of eucalypts that grow in Australia. They prefer forests and woodlands that grow on fertile soils and along watercourses, where the leaves are more nutritious and moist. They eat more than a pound of eucalyptus leaves a day, and they have a very specialized diet that consists mainly of eucalyptus leaves. They can eat more than a pound of leaves a day, which is quite impressive considering their small size. Eucalyptus leaves are tough, fibrous, and toxic to most animals, but they have adapted to digest them with the help of a long and complex digestive system. They have a large cecum, a pouch-like organ, that contains bacteria that break down the toxins and fibers in the leaves. They also have very strong jaws and teeth that can grind the leaves into a fine paste. They sleep up to 18 hours a day. Koalas are very sleepy animals that spend most of their time dozing in the trees. They sleep up to 18 hours a day, which is more than any other mammal. This is because eucalyptus leaves have very low energy content and require a lot of time and energy to digest. Sleeping helps conserve energy and water, as they lose very little through breathing or sweating. Koalas usually sleep curled up in a ball or stretched out on a branch, holding on with their paws. They have unique behaviors and reproduction. They are mostly solitary animals that have their own home ranges within a larger population. They communicate with each other through vocalizations, such as grunts, snorts, barks, and bellows. The most distinctive sound is the mating call of the male koala, which is a loud roar that can be heard from far away. Male koalas also mark their territory by rubbing a scent gland on their chest against trees. Koala breeding season lasts from August to February. Female koalas give birth to one baby at a time after a gestation period of about 35 days. The baby koala, called a joey, is blind and hairless when it is born. It crawls into its mother's pouch where it attaches to one of her two teats and stays there for about 6 months. During this time, it grows fur, eyesight, hearing, and teeth. After 6 months, it emerges from the pouch and rides on its mother's back until it is about 1 year old. Koalas are endangered animals that need our help. Unfortunately, they are facing many threats that put their survival at risk. Some of these threats include habitat loss and fragmentation due to human activities such as logging, agriculture, urbanization, mining, and road construction, diseases such as chlamydia and retrovirus, predation by dogs and foxes, bushfires and droughts, and climate change. As a result, koala populations have declined dramatically in some areas and are vulnerable to extinction. We can all do something to help protect koalas and their habitats. Some of the actions we can take are: planting and restoring native trees that koalas need for food and shelter. Supporting organizations that work to conserve koalas and their habitats. Adopting a koala or donating to a koala hospital or sanctuary. Reporting any sightings of injured or sick koalas to a wildlife rescue service. Educating ourselves and others about koalas and their plight. Avoiding driving at night in areas where koalas may cross the road. Keeping our dogs on a leash and away from koala habitats. Koalas are amazing animals that deserve our respect and care. They are an important part of the Australian ecosystem and culture, and they bring joy and wonder to many people around the world. By learning more about them and taking action to protect them, we can ensure that they will continue to thrive for generations to come. We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it. It was so much fun, and we learned a lot. If you liked it, please show your support by subscribing to our channel, hitting the like button, and leaving a comment. We love hearing from you, and we appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.